Jaylee. It's your girl Jaylee. It's your girl Jaylee. I'm coming to y'all with another video. I ain't really want to have no long intro for y'all this time, so I'm just talking over the back. I'm going to be using the Queen palette. It's the Fumi and Juvia's Place collaboration, and I wanted to do something real soft, sweet, quick. You know what I mean? And just go. So, in this tutorial, I will be using the BS Malls brushes that I did review. If you didn't see that review, I'll link it down below. But those are the brushes that I will be using. Thank you for watching my video. This is the final outcome of that look. I am loving it. And if you girls are wondering, the lashes that I did put on, they are nothing more than some LA colors. They are the dramatic lashes. I think that's what it's called. It's in Diva. I got them from Dollar General for $1. You can look very beautiful on a budget. Just go throw that all the way out there. But I just wanted to I didn't want to end on just the recording. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I love you. I thank you for the support that you're giving me. I am going to keep being consistent with these videos. If you have questions, comments, concerns, if you want to see another palette, because I have a lot of them over there that I haven't used, let me know. For this, when I did finish the rest of my face, I actually did use the Fumi palette, and I used 7 to actually do my blush. I did try out Glam for the highlight, and it did show up, but I wanted something more vibrant, so I used Wet n Wild. But with that being said, I love the way this look came out. It is beautiful, guys. Simple, elegant, and beautiful. And that's what we should all be, is simple, elegant, and beautiful. You can have your dramatic days, but be simple, elegant, and beautiful. And those are my ending words for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.